This is a video tutorial for the installation of Govee Glide Y lights. To start, connect the control box with the power adapter. Next, plug the adapter into power. Download Govee Home app and pair your Y lights with the app. Insert a connector into the piece at the end of the control box cable. Pick up a Y light panel and find the connecting port that's the longest. Press down using your palm. Test each Y light panel to confirm all are working. Next, design your layout on the app's canvas, or choose from a variety of recommended designs. Before installing on the wall, wipe the wall surface with a clean, dry cloth. We recommend using the Y-shaped cardboard cutouts included in the package to pre-design your layout. Remove the first cardboard cutout, peel the covering off the adhesive strips, and mount the first Y light to the wall. Use the mini level for added accuracy. Press down for 30 seconds. Press Next panel in the app and insert a connector into the first Y light as instructed by the app. Identify the correct connecting port on the second Y light. Snap the second Y light into place. Continue this process until all your Y lights are fully mounted. The app will do a final calibration to make sure the Y lights are correctly connected. To remove your Y lights, first turn them off. Gently pull away each Y light so they detach from the adhesive strips, and then safely remove the strips by pulling on their tab. If your design includes a complete enclosed hexagon, build the shape on the table first, using the connector pieces and app instructions. And follow the app instructions to complete installation. Find the included fixing tape and use these to reinforce the connection points of the hexagon structure. Align the solid line on the tape with the meeting point of the two Y lights and the dotted lines with the light's edges. Lastly, lift up the completed hexagon, turn it over to remove the coverings from the adhesive strips, and use the mini level to mount the hexagon on the wall. Remove all the fixing tape. We truly hope you enjoy Govee Glide Y lights.
Govee, making life smarter.